Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change an air filter in the 2010 Civic. First step is you're going to need a new air cleaner, and that comes from your local parts store or your favorite neighborhood Honda store. And the next step is we're going to pop the hood. So the hood is right here. We'll pop that open. For all your Honda lovers, there's a spot where you can put the prop rod. There's a spot up here, and there's a lower spot over here for when you're working really hard on your car. This is what the second spot looks like. So, and then to remove the air cleaner top lid, just go here. There's 4 clips. And it's a one-hand operation. And then to remove the air cleaner, you just pry gently. You have to be gentle because these wires stay connected, but it just swings over like this. Like I said, be nice and gentle. So it's early in the morning for me, so the engine is cool. I have not ran this car today. I think it's the most agreeable time to work on your car, early in the morning. If there's plastic on your new air cleaner, be sure and remove that. I watch Mechanical Nightmares, and quite a few people have done that, where they go in and put a new air cleaner, they leave the plastic on. That's not good. Next step, just put the lid back on. Just swings over like that. Now you gotta be sure and line it up properly, but that's not too hard. Just follow the air intake that goes straight into your engine. By the way, this is the clean side. This is the dirty side. So just place it in there and pay attention to what you're doing. The box should line up perfectly. That's a two-handed operation. But once you got it lined up perfectly, the clips will just come back. Super easy. I have to use my right hand, but it's a one-handed operation. And then that's it. You can enjoy driving around in your good old Civic. See you soon.